Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to take apart a Mercedes transmission 722.6, very common, used in Mercedes ML, C-Class, E-Class, S-Class, pretty much any vehicle you can think of guys. They use that transmission in many of them, and installed it actually in a Dodge Charger as well. So we have that ML here 320 with bad transmission. We're stealing the transmission out of the Charger, but we're gonna take it apart and show you how to take that thing apart. Okay, we just need to take the insides of this transmission here and install them right there. Okay, in that casing there. And valve body, it's easy, you take it off, many videos on that. Now we're gonna show you how to take everything apart. On the back, right here, on the back side of the transmission, there is one nut. Okay, that's for the shaft there, with a 32 socket. Okay, big two like that, deep 12-point socket. That's the only thing working there. You just take that thing off. Next guys, we will use T45. Okay, and there is two bolts on the outside that we need to take care of. Okay, one here. So stay with us, we have many videos guys. Don't forget to subscribe, be part of it. Let's grow the channel together, make it something big so we can help more people as well. Okay, let's get the light on. And now you need to remove all the T45s on the inside once you remove the torque converter here. Okay, quite a few of those. You can see. And that will be the time to replace your seal as well, if you need to. Once you don't have the torque converter, you can see seal is right there. So we're going to pull all the bolts now. And we're going to pull that thing apart now, in a second. Okay, just picking bolts, quite a few of those, and they have thread lock on the inside. Okay, so now we're just gonna grab and pull, just pull straight up, okay, like that. You can see that's the pump with some clutches. It's a big mess everywhere. Okay, and after that everything looks good there. Transmission has about 90,000 miles on it. Okay, we're going to pull. Okay, you can pull actually only this one now. If you need to, you can pull the whole thing. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, you can see the whole pack here. So now we're gonna turn it on the side. Okay, and we have two more bolts that we need to take off right here. These two bolts with the T45 again. So we need to take them off before we can remove the other drum. And those come apart if you need to replace the clutches and things like that. You can see, even though it's a Dodge, it says Mercedes everywhere on it, and the parts are exactly identical as the ML320 inside. Two bolts, don't forget those when you install everything together later. Now we remove the nut on the back with a 30mm. Now with a rubber hammer we're gonna hit it a little bit. Okay, and in our case the tail, okay, here it's still holding on the shaft. So we're going to remove the rubber joint there. Okay, once we remove it, we're gonna use a puller to pull it out. We'll show you guys. This one is with a T60 on one side and 18mm on the other side. Some models are different. Alright guys, so we have the pulley here with the 13mm socket. We're gonna pull it out now. Okay, you can see it came right out. Okay, that's where it was stuck. So that's normal. Now we're going to get the rubber hammer and gently tap it on the back. Okay, you can see on the shaft, and you can see it coming out now. Okay, that's it, that's good. So now we can go ahead, actually grab it and pull that thing out. Okay, you can see right here now. Alright guys, and now we have the other clutches here. You can see inside more there, so you can remove it by removing this one here. Okay, and you get to them. So that's how you tear down that 722.6 transmission, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you, so you can diagnose where your problem is there. When you take it apart, you definitely see it. Thank you guys for watching. Many more videos to come. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.